Hey guys, today I want to talk about the JavaScript. So the JavaScript is a programming language in HTML and the web. I think the JavaScript is easy to learn. Uh, and in this tutorial, we will teach from basic to advanced. So how to write a JavaScript code? So first step is to open the Sublime text editor, and now create a new file with HTML, yeah, and save this, for example, to the desktop. It will be index, and the type will be this, and here is. And if I write this, so it is a simple structure in the HTML. So the title will be the JavaScript, yeah, JavaScript, and for example, here I will create a paragraph. Will create a paragraph, some text, for example, the HTML, and I want to change this text. So if open this file in the browser, so the text is here. So I want to change. So I want here a button, and when click, I want to change this text. So um, first step is not need to create a button. So need to create a button, and for example, the type is it will be a button, and I want to add some event. So when click here, so how to create an event with one click. So here need to write this one click, and here will be the JavaScript code. For example, the document dot get element by ID. So the get element 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 by ID, yeah, and here here will be this ID. So here need to create an ID with for example the GS, and this right here, and the next we need to write this inner HTML, near HTML, and equal, and I want to write here some, so hello, for example, and the text will be click, yeah. So if I refresh this, so this is nothing. So the button type is a button, one click, Yeah, and this will be here. And here is the button, and when I click here, the text is changed. So, so in the JavaScript, it has some methods, and this is a useful method. And when click this button, when click here, the event is changed. These IDs, this GS text, this text. So when click here, if I refresh when click, so the text is changed. So thank you for watching and see you next time.